Where's the bite? Got it. Come on out. There you go. Don't lay down again. Little pretty thing. Man. Here at Bray just, golly. It's so much fun. Look how dark that bass is. Pretty little thing. So talking about equipment today, there's a couple things that we're doing. Number one, we're trying to mimic the shad. Number two, we're trying to mimic bluegill that's up under these pads and stuff. Just because it's fall and the bass relate heavily to shad does not mean they won't eat something that's a brim color. So what we're doing is we're targeting bass that are feeding on shad with certain baits like that head and prop bait, or you know, a swim jig or a spinner bait. But now when we're trying to mimic the brim, I'm going with this Reaction Innovations little like beaver style bait. But man, fun bite.
Today's equipment log.